Describe the problem of drug addiction among children. Give suggestion to resolve this. Answer is of this question is there are many stages of drug abuse, ultimately leading to difficulty in managing one's life as a result of using drugs. Individuals who begin using drugs as juveniles are at greater risk of becoming addicted compared to those who begin drug use as an adult due to the immaturity of the teenage brain, particularly of the that part of the brain that controls impulses. The symptoms of drug abuse include tolerance to a substance, withdrawal episodes, using more drugs for longer period of time, and problem managing life issues due to the use of a drug. Substance abuse is caused by a number of individual, family, genetic and social factor rather than by any one cause. Although a number of genes play a role in the development of substance abuse, this is a disease in which offer others factor more strongly influence its occurrence. Substance abuse treatment is usually treated based on the stage of the addiction, ranging from management of risk factor and education to intensive residential treatment, followed by long-term outpatient care and support. The cause of developing drug addiction among children. First cause is insufficient parental supervision and monitoring. Second cause is lack of communication and interaction between parents and child. Third point is poorly defined and poorly communicated rules and expectation against drug use. Fourth point is inconsistent and excessively severe discipline. Fifth point is family conflict. And sixth point is favorable parental attitudes towards adolescent alcohol and drug use, parental alcoholism or drug use. Next topic is signals of drug addiction in children. First point is physical evidence of drugs and drug paraphernalia. Second point is behavior problems and poor grades in school. Third signals is emotional distancing, isolation, depression or fatigue. Fourth point is change in friendships or extreme influence by peers. Fifth symptoms is hostility, irritability or change in level of cooperation around the house. Sixth point is lying or increased evasiveness about school or weekend whereabouts. Seventh point is decrease in interest in personal appearance. Eighth point is physical changes such as bloodshot eyes, runny nose, frequent sore throats, rapid weight loss. Ninth signal is changes in mood, eating or sleeping patterns. 10th point is dizziness and memory problems. What are the dangers? Next point is what are the dangerous effects of drug use in adolescence? Here are just a few of the many dangerous effects of the drug use in adolescent. First point is drugs of any kind decreases adolescents' ability to pay attention. Second point is, the younger a person is when they begin using drugs, the more likely they are to be develop a substance abuse problem, and the more likely they are to relapse into drug abuse when trying to quit. Third point is, juveniles who use drugs are more likely to have unprotected sex with a stranger, as well as to engage in sexual activity at all. This in turn puts them at risk for pregnancy, rape commission or victimization, and for sexually transmitted disease. Next point is, substance use can cause or mask other emotional problems like anxiety, depression, mood swings, or hallucinations. Either of those illnesses can result in death by suicide or homicide. Fifth point is, anabolic steroids have been associated with the impotence in boys and men, clitoral enlargement in girls and women, as well as baldness, stunted growth, heart attacks, strokes, liver disease, cancer, acne, and infections including HIV/AIDS in both sexes. Sixth point is, depending on how the body takes in and possesses each kind of drug, substances of abuse can affect virtually every one of the body's system. Example of this include permanent brain damage associated with inhalants, heart attack, or stroke from stimulants, halted breathing from sedatives. Any of these problems can result in death. Continue reading. Some steps to remove drug addiction in adolescence. First point is, develop self-confidence. Second point is, develop the habit of the yoga. Third point is, keep separate from moralless and drug addicted peers. Make good friends. Fifth point is, decline the habit of drug. Sixth point is, keep busy himself or herself. Seventh point is, develop new interests. Eighth point is, think about harms of drugs. Thank you.